the red wattlebird. This bird is so noisy, and it's not named after a tree, but after the little reddish wattles on the side of its neck. They live for up to 13 years. They do swoop if you are too close to their nest site, and they are very territorial. They are found throughout the southern areas of the Australian mainland. Tasmania has the yellow wattlebird, which is much bigger. This bird feeds on nectar from flowers, which it gets with its thin, curved bill. Insects are also eaten, taken from the foliage or caught in mid-air. The spiritual interaction of this bird with you is said to be a message that speaks about your voice and how you use it. You have a right to speak your opinion, and what you say will set you free, or it will imprison you. Stand your ground and always speak with truth. Okay, I want to show you a really rough bit of road that isn't signed. There's nothing said about it. Unless they've changed it since I've been up here, which is only 2 days ago. The crab was saying, be brave and face those fears. Come out of your shell, move in your own unique way, but stop sidestepping the issues and deal with them. Hello, can I take your photo? Because you are gorgeous. Look at you. Hello, little echidna. Hi. Should we get some photos? Trees are symbols of strength, individuality and expression, calmness, growth and the interconnectedness of everything. At the spiritual level, trees help us to become more aware of our connections with something larger than ourselves. Trees teach us to let go of unnecessary burdens and focus our energy on what matters most. Trees are significant symbols of growth, death and rebirth. The ocean inspires navigation and travel, tourism and trade, food in the form of fisheries and recreation. Spiritually, the ocean represents endless wisdom and enlightenment. It symbolises the subconscious mind and the realm of emotions. The ocean is deep and vast and mysterious, just like our inner worlds. The ocean can be seen as a symbol of stability, as it is existing largely unchanged for centuries. This seagull that I photographed kept stepping forward, challenging me and giving me this strange look. I had no food and he knew this, but he also seemed to want to follow me around. What was he trying to tell me? It's okay to be on your own? Well, yeah, I know that. Never ignore opportunities. Maybe I need a sea change. It's okay to pursue a path that is different from others. Don't give up no matter what. Don't give up on your dreams. Find what makes your soul soar. Break rules and take risks. When you see a seagull, it can be a message that it's time to seek a new pack. Wind is heard as a whisper or a howl. It is felt as a tingle or a sting. It is gentle and yet it can be violent, strong, even deadly. The wind is uncontrollable. It's the raw power of nature. Yet we can only see it when it interacts with other things. It is the messenger of divine intervention. It is the vital breath of the universe.